Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you all how to create this beautiful green smoky eye makeup look using the Friendcation palette by Dose of Colors in collaboration with Desi and Katy. Now a lot of you had asked me to swatch the eyeshadows from this palette, so I'm going to quickly show you guys the swatches. Also to mention that this formula is way more improved as we compare this to their previous collaboration with Dose of Colors. The eyeshadows are beautifully pigmented and very buttery and have very less fallout, so I'm pretty impressed with this palette. So I'm going to start off with placing a shadow shield right under my eyes, and I'm going to pick up this color Jeans from the palette and I'll just apply it on my crease starting from the outer edge and will work my way inwards. Now I'm just focusing this color on my crease and lower lash line. I'm not blending it upwards. After that, I'm just going to go ahead and pick up this color and will just blur out any harsh edges from the previous color that we applied, and we'll just blend out the two colors together. So you want to take your time and blend out everything together. After that, I'm going to take a small concealer brush and load it up with some concealer and define my lid right underneath my crease. So this is really going to help me pop up the green eyeshadow that I'm going to apply, and this is something that you do for a cut crease. So this is like almost like a semi-cut crease. So using a lighter brown color where these two meet, I'm just going to blend the two colors out together, that is the concealer and the darker brown, and then I'm going to move on to this eyeshadow named Dirty Money. It is a beautiful green glittery eyeshadow, and I'm just going to pack it on the lid, especially where I applied the concealer. After that, I'm going to take the color Churro and really blend the green and the darker brown together. Removing my shadow shield, I did realize that there was a little bit of color bleeding down. So what I did is I took a pencil brush, dipped it in these two colors and blurred the edges out. Also really wanted to blur the crisp edge out that we got from the shadow shield. After that, I'm going to pop on some lashes, tight line my eyes, add some highlight, and yeah, we're done. This is the final look that you guys are gonna see now.